Down here at Avalanche Surf Spot in Ocean Beach. This is right off the jetty here. If you look to the south side, you'll see OB Pier, but across from that, you got the jetty, and this is a good spot. The wave really wedges right off of the jetty, and you get some solid rights here. These guys are tucking in today and getting some good rides. Normally good on about a mid-tide, and kind of mix of south and northwest flow in the water today, but yeah, really good rides off the jetty. I would say a more intermediate to advanced wave. Can get a little bit crowded in the jetty over there. There's a few guys out there today, but overall, super fun wave. Definitely give it high 3-star range. If you're an OB and you're looking for somewhere a little bit less crowded than OB Pier, check this wave out.